All right, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing today? And everything is good. Back with Majestic Travel. So, Larry Porter here. So, today we're going to talk about 6 tips that can help you become a successful travel agent, especially from home. Okay? So, let's get into it. We'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. So, let's dive into these 6 tips that can help you be a successful travel agent from home. So if you're looking to become a travel agent, kudos to you. We're glad that you landed on this video, but we're going to share some uh, tips that can really point you in the right direction. So let's get into it. All right, these 6 tips can help you become a travel agent from home, a successful travel agent. And I'm going to show you some things that you need. So number one, go ahead and create a one-page business plan. Okay, so you can develop a one-page business plan and include the following. So go ahead and create this one-page plan. Get you a piece of paper. Let's write all this down and include the following. Joining a travel host agency. Okay, host travel agency is going to be your best option for getting started as a travel agent. You don't want to waste a lot of time trying to do everything on your own, guys. I really recommend starting a host travel agency due to everything is a one-stop shop. You have everything you need all up under one umbrella. You have your training, you have your website, your booking engine, you have your huge database of suppliers, you have ongoing support, you have tools, marketing tools, everything you need to run a successful home-based travel business. You have that option. And you don't have to worry about trying to put the pieces of the puzzle together, trying to figure out which training to take to become certified and all that good stuff. Everything is included up under the one-stop shop. You have everything you need. Now, the good thing about a host travel agency is you do not have to wait to become a certified travel agent. Okay? You can share that certification through the host agency that's already established and become certified immediately after you enroll. So let's say if you enroll today, you can book travel today, right away. So you can make money today, okay? So I just want to let you know that, guys, host travel agency is good for new beginners, okay? Get the proper training. And that goes back into the first tip, okay? Proper training, there's step-by-step training to get you going in the right direction, how to book with suppliers, how to first register with the suppliers, how to book through supplier websites, how to book on your own booking engine. So that's proper training that you can plug into inside of a host travel agency. Now, you're going to have a lot of ongoing training, but you can earn while you learn. You can make money while you learn. You're not going to be a pro overnight, but you'll always have ongoing training. You'll be forever learning. So don't let that stop you. Don't let the overwhelm of all the training stop you. Take little pieces of it at a time and grow your business. Earn while you learn, okay? Plus, whoever your sponsor is, like if you get started today, me and Yamika will sponsor you all. And we have other training that we have set up for you, especially if you're serious about team building a travel team. We show you some marketing tips and strategies that we use to leverage the internet and build a travel agent team using the internet. Okay. Choose a niche or specialization. My favorite. This goes back to all the training. Now, there's a lot of training involved here, guys. There's training on Disney cruises, Disney vacation packages, Royal Caribbean. All the suppliers have different trainings. You got Vacation Express, you got Vax, you got Go Vacations, you got I can't even think of the other, but it's so many of them. But you have a lot of training that you can absorb in so many areas of opportunity within the travel niche that you can specialize in. But don't let that overwhelm you. You don't have to learn everything about the travel industry. You can just specialize in something that you're passionate about. Okay, break it down. You're passionate about travel, but break it down. What types of specifics of travel? Do you want to specialize in just cruises? Specialize in being a cruise agent. You want to specialize in Disney? Specialize in being a Disney agent. You don't have to do all of it, be a jack of all trades and dominate the whole entire travel industry, but just specialize in little niches that you learn as you grow. So you earn while you learn. If you right now, the first couple of weeks you may learn everything about Disney. Guess what? You specialize in that for now. And once you leverage that, and you can incorporate another niche you want to specialize in within the travel niche. You can specialize in the like I said, the cruise industry, okay, or just the vacation package or honeymoons. There's so many things you can do, guys. But I recommend narrowing it down and specialize in one specific area. Okay. Focus on marketing. Now, you're gonna need leads, guys. You're gonna need leads. Marketing. You need to learn how to market, develop a couple of skill sets. The good thing about Million Maker, we do have marketing training set up for you guys once you enroll that could really help you learn how to generate your own leads, because you can only do so much with traditional marketing. We're living in a new age now where we can have a huge supply of leads on demand. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to generate those, leveraging the power of YouTube and Facebook. All the social media platforms are good ways, but primarily me and you can use YouTube, and we just now recently incorporated Facebook as well. So guys, you need to focus on that and figure out, okay, how I'm going to talk to more people after I run through my warm market. Okay, and you need to focus on marketing. You need to have some tips and strategies set in place, which we can help you with. Okay, and after you get all those leads, you need to build and develop relationships. There's ways you can leverage these tools that we've been using to develop and build relationships. Now, I understand you can't talk to each and every person. However, there's tools that can help you talk to each and every person with the one single click of a button. So you want to keep it in mind that you can generate leads all day, but you need to connect with those leads. You need to build and develop relationships with those leads. And you can use social media. I'm not saying you got to go out belly and connect with every person you talk to. However, you can do the same thing on social media. You can connect with leads using specialized tools, and you can do this in bulk. Save yourself some time. So keep that in mind. So once you get to generate the leads, you need to build a relationship and develop these long relationships with these leads. They become customers, become team members, and you begin to grow an organization. So guys, hope you found value. So did you find value from this video? Okay, so make sure you click the link below. If you or anybody you know that's serious about becoming a travel agent and you want to really tone it out and go all the way, click the link below. What's a free presentation that we have for you? It can show you the host agency that we recommend and how you can get started today and become certified today. So watch that presentation below. As soon as you click the link, we're going to send you some information where you can get access to it. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay? And we'll love to hear your feedback, comment, do all that good stuff. So Larry Porter here, signing off from Majestic Travel, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace and happy traveling.